Hey guys, for this video, we are going to check out the brake sponge cutter made by Tamiya Underground. Now let's first talk about the appearance. It's 3D printed and it's made from plastic, very light and compact. Now they have different colors available. They have black, white, purple, blue, red, and yellow. Now why do you need this item? So you can have a straight cut brake sponge. If you have a brake sponge that is not cut properly, your car won't land properly as well. Take a look at this video. Whenever I land coming from a slope or a jump, the car is either tilted to the left or to the right. And this is very important to avoid losing speed or to avoid crashing. Alright, so let's start cutting. Now these are the items that you need. The brake cutter itself, a cutter, and the brake sponge. Now as you can see, there are markings or indicators here. Now M plate stands for mount plate. So this is what you use for your brakes for the CFM setup. So before we start cutting, we need to lube our cutter. So we have to use the baby oil so we can cut the sponge smoothly. So let's try the mount plate size. So place your sponge like this, get your cutter and release the blade all the way out and cut it slowly back and forth, back and forth. And there you have it. You have a perfect cut brake sponge. Now you can buy this at Tamiya Underground, located at 2nd floor, Wilcon Center, Visayas Avenue, Quezon City. This costs 150 pesos only. So grab one now. Alright, so that's it for our video. I hope you learned something from it. As always, take care, have fun, keep on racing. See ya!